Team Group is known for making products that look as good on the outside as they perform on the inside, and both the T-Force CARDEA Ceramic C440 and the T-Force VULCAN G SSD keep the tradition going while pushing technological limits. The T-Force CARDEA Ceramic C440 is an M.2 NVMe drive running at full PCIe Gen 4 speeds, taking it to the absolute cutting edge of what you can expect from a hard drive. In a system that supports it, read speeds can reach up to 5,000 megabytes a second, with up to 4,400 megabytes a second write speeds, which is nearly 10 times as fast as a traditional SATA SSD. The CARDEA is fully backward compatible with PCIe 3, so even if you don't have the latest and greatest motherboard, it should give you the best data performance your machine is capable of. And it's available in both 1TB and 2TB capacity, so you can get all the storage you need for your operating system or games in one tiny, convenient module. Thanks to aerospace-style ceramic materials, the heat from high-speed NVMe drives that can sometimes hurt performance is dissipated harmlessly. Unlike a bulky traditional heatsink, which can make it difficult to find the right location to install your drive, the ceramic coating is only 1 mm thick, helping the CARDEA C440 maintain its extremely thin profile. The CARDEA is built using 3D NAND technology and has a beautiful gold and white exterior that you'd be proud to show off through your case's glass panel. No need to compromise with form over function when it comes to what Team Group brings to the table. And since it's built with environmentally friendly RoHS compliant materials, you can feel good about your CARDEA C440 ceramic drive for more reasons than just its blazing fast speed. The T-Force VULCAN G SSD comes in a thin, textured aluminum case with the Team Group logo and branding debossed in attractive metal around the edges. At only 7 mm thick, the form factor makes it easy to mount in the perfect spot in your case, or even to fit into some laptops. It's available in both 512 gigs and 1 TB capacity, so there's no need to compromise on storage size here. Like the CARDEA, the VULCAN is built with 3D NAND technology, meaning Team Group is able to fit more memory modules in a smaller space, while also making them durable enough for even the most punishing workloads. With read speeds up to 550 megabytes a second and write speeds reaching 500 megabytes a second, the VULCAN uses its SATA interface to the fullest, making it a great option for a boot drive or fast storage. For more information about these Team Group SSDs, or any of the company's other products, check out the links in the description below and head over to Newegg.com today.